Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. On the continuation of my last lecture, today I want to walk you through some of the other things that I want to point out here before starting the further lectures. These are something more about the interface itself, okay? So now in the last lecture, what we have seen the quick access toolbar, right? This is the top right corner, and then you have got your ribbon directly below that. There's a ribbon right here. You see it here from file to this side, the formula bar and all. So this is called the ribbon. You have got the name box in the formula bar right below that, and then down at the very bottom of the screen, you see this. We have got what called the status bar. So this is called the status bar. Okay, let's get that right there and see that what all things Microsoft shows as a information while working on the sheet. Okay, so now the status bar is actually one that we pretty commonly overlook because it's kind of small, just kind of out of the way now. So but we have got some important stuff that can potentially show up there, so I'm going to recommend you keep an eye on that while working on the sheet. Okay, we'll talk about various features that show up and that you can activate inside of the status bar. Right now, we have got over towards the right, you have got your views. Now, currently, I'm inside of what's called the normal view. If you see here, there are three buttons. So, this is for the normal view. So, we are inside this normal view. Okay, then right next to that, you have got the page layout. So, this option, the second option is called the page layout, and then we have page break preview. These three buttons allow you to change the view of your workbook, and then to the right of that you have got the zoom bar that allows you to zoom in and out the Excel workbook or worksheet itself. So if you see here, this is the normal view. Then if you go there, this is the page layout view, and this is the page break preview view. So right now we will be in the normal view, and this is what we call a zoom in, zoom out. Okay, perfect. So now these buttons here, the view buttons are also available to you on the view tab at the top of your screen. So if you go here in the view tab, you see there the same buttons you are showing up in the bottom are showing up here as well. Normal, page break, and page layout view. Okay, those exact same buttons that we saw down at the bottom. So but that's just a little bit more about the interface, and you'll see that change. You'll see some other stuff show up on the quick, or you see me on the status bar. Just as an example, if I right click on the status bar here, okay, you will see that there is all sort of stuff in there, and they are not all showing up for me right now, but once we start working in there and start selecting data, start manipulating data, start working on the worksheet, actually you'll see some other bits of information show up on the status bar. Okay, right now it is empty worksheet, so we are not able to see much information, but in coming forward days, once we come up with a more dig down into the features of the Excel, then we'll show up that what all information can be seen in the status bar. Now, there's one more thing that I want to show up here, just more of the Excel interface, and this really deals with the document you are working within. Now, you will recall when I first launched the Excel tutorial, I told that I wanted to work with a new blank workbook, right? So you have got the Excel interface, which is really this portion right here, from here the top to this bottom. So this is called the uh, Excel interface, and then the status bar at the bottom of the screen. So this is called the status bar, which we talked about right now. And then you have got the Excel workbook, and that is the document that you are going to be working inside of. So the cells which you see here, this is called the actual workbook. Okay, this is where you feed all your data into the screen and then do manipulation of the data and work in whatever manner you want, right? Now, if you are an experienced Excel user, you may say that you know all about this. These are very basics. So, but if you are a newer to Excel, you are going to break this down. We will really go dig down into all those small stuffs and see that what can be learned from that, because all small things matters, right? And we are going to get an understanding of the Excel workbook and understanding of what worksheets are compared to the workbook, how to navigate it, how to reference it, and so on. So it's really kind of two pieces. Got the Excel application, its interface, and then you have got the workbook itself, right? So workbook is where you are going to play around, but the interface, the buttons, the tabs will really going to play a vital role to support you, to provide you the features which you can use on your worksheet. Okay, all right. So that's kind of fundamental, kind of high level, the Excel interface. Um, Now we are going to dig into as we continue working inside the Excel, right? And again, if you have got any questions, visit the comment section of this video and ask your questions there. All right. Well, uh, good for you so far. The next thing we are gonna do is jump in and get a little bit more understanding about the workbook itself. So in the coming videos, we'll come up with more features. So till the time, thanks for watching this tutorial. And as I say, if you really liked it and enjoying this learning journey, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification whenever I upload the next video or the next tutorial. And we'll meet up in the next video then. If you have any questions, concerns, as I always say, please comment, put that questions on all concerns in that comment section, and I will try to respond you with all your doubts. Okay. Till the time, goodbye, take care, and thanks for watching the video again. Thank you.